Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this channel, you get to learn all about Tally, accounting, GST and taxation. You will also get in-depth knowledge of Tally ERP9 with GST to meet the accounting requirements of the industry. We not only teach the concepts but also helps you learn how you can practically implement those concepts in your day-to-day accounting process with practical examples and entries in Tally. So please do subscribe my channel. Let's talk about accounting for more accounting related videos. Now let's start with our today's topic. Our today's topic is how to delete a company in Tally ERP9. Okay, now if you have created a company and you want to delete that company, so what is the procedure to delete a company in Tally? So let's start. First of all, open the Tally program. Okay, now select company which you want to delete. For selecting a company, my shortcut key is F1, or I can simply go over here and press select company. Now I will get all the list of the companies, okay, which I've created already. In that, I have to select a company which I want to delete. Now I will select the company as ABC Private Limited. I want to delete this company. So I will select that company, press enter. Yes, that company is reflected in bold letters over here, ABC Private Limited. So now I have reached to Gateway of Tally page. After reaching to Gateway of Tally, now you have to go to company info. So my shortcut key to go to company info is Alt plus F3, or I can simply press over here company info. After selecting company info, now you have to go to alter. Select alter. And after that, select the company which you want to delete. I will select ABC Private Limited. Okay, you will get the screen of alteration. I have taught you about alteration in my previous video. So now the screen has been opened of alteration. You have to simply now press the key as Alt plus D to delete that company. Okay, so I will press Alt plus D. Now Tally will ask you delete, yes or no. If you select yes, it will again ask you, are you sure, yes or no. So I will select Y. Okay, so Tally is again asking me, are you sure, yes or no. If I select yes, then the company will be deleted from Tally. And if I select no, then you will find your company as it is. Now I will select as yes. So I will press Y, either Y or enter. I am pressing Y. Okay. So now my company has been deleted. You can see over here, ABC Limited is only showing.